Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. So today I'm just hanging out at home, and as you can tell, I just got out of the shower. I have a few things that I have to do around here, and I thought I would take you guys along. Like, for instance, I have a mess here on my desk again. It seems to be the place that collects all the clutter. I'm going to have to put you guys on my tripod because I'm not going to be able to hold you guys up and do stuff at the same time. Sorry, bad angles. There, I'll just put you there for a minute while I get my tripod ready. Alright. We're doing all this in real time. I guess I could have just got everything set up and then just started recording, but whatever. It's real life. Okay, so we're going to start off today with, I got to put a few things away, so I figured I'd show you guys. So a few more birthday gifts came in since my birthday, so I just wanted to show you guys. My friend got me, she stopped by, she surprised us. Just so you know too, my birthday was November 17th. That video was pre-recorded. But she stopped by the night of my birthday. I was watching the hockey game and she had a cake for me and cards and gifts. Her mom got me a big tin of cookies, which are gone by now. Mike's a cookie monster. And yeah, and they brought the birthday cake and some gifts. So these are from my friend. So there's different coasters with different pictures of cats on them. So there's one, what it looks like. Oh, this one's different. There's that one. There's this one. That's the same one again. There's this one. And that's the same one again. So there's those coasters that she got me. Also, which was in the gift, was this travel coffee mug with a whole bunch of like Bridgerton stuff on it. Lady Whistledown Social Club, it says. This is my Bridgerton. That's all it says. This is my Bridgerton, watching cup. And then it says coffee on the handle here. And there's just a bunch of different Bridgerton stuff on there, if you can see. So this is like, I think it's one of those mugs you can do hot or cold because there is a straw in it. So you can do hot or cold with that if you want to. So I'm going to put that away. And then she got me this t-shirt. It's a Bridgerton t-shirt. So it says Bridgerton, established 1813. And it's just I think is that the Bridgerton house? Yeah, that's supposed to be the Bridgerton house, I think. So she got me that. So that was from my friend. And like I said, her mom got me a tin of cookies. Why does this look lopsided? I'm sorry if you look lopsided there. I apologize. And then you guys seen the pajamas that my mom got me. And then my stepmother sent me a gift card for Amazon. So I picked up a unbrush, which has my hair in it. I apologize. So I wanted to give this a try to see if it's really good for like untangling your hair. So I got that, and I got this. It's a Conair blow dry brush. It's called the Knot Doctor from Conair, and this works really well in my hair because I have fine thin hair. It's long, straight, and fine, and this just gives me a nice blowout. It kind of straightened it. My hair's hard to curl, so I don't know if it'll curl it. I can try with some product and see if I can lift it and stuff. I'm still playing around with it, so I don't know. And it comes in this pretty pink color. I only used it one time so far, but I'll be using it a lot more. Trust me, I'll probably use it later today. So that was pretty much everything that I got for my birthday, including all the stuff that I already showed you guys. When I got out of the shower today, I tried this stuff. I got this at the Giant Tiger. It's Danny Beauty, and it has one of these, which I love, that you can pump it up to get the moisturizer out. It feels really nice so far. This was only $6 for this huge tub, and I think it's supposed to be copying off of Drunk Elephant, if I'm not mistaken. Now, I don't know if it's as good as Drunk Elephant, but we also have the Hydro Jelly Cleanser from the same brand, which was $6 as well. So I gotta find spots for all this stuff. I gotta tidy up in here. If anybody's not watching my shorts with the advent calendar, I'll give you a quick recap of what I got the first 4 days. So day 1, we got this Cocoa Kind lip blur balm, and it's in a pink color. It looks like a lot like the Summer Fridays, eh? And then on day 2, we got this raw sugar deodorant. It's one of those ones that doesn't have parabens or aluminum, baking soda or talc, and it's vanilla bean and charcoal. It smells really good. And then on day 3 was kind of a rip. We got these Quo ouchless elastics. They're just clear elastics. And then on day 4, which was today when I opened it, we got a full freckle pen from the brand Jason Wu. So that's what that looks like. So I'm going to get rid of this packaging now, because I've really got to clean this up because it's a mess in here. Like I said, my desk, I'm going to have to get Mike to take the tape off that for me. There's tape on it to close the package. Okay, I got Christmas cards over here. The recipe book that Jacqueline sent me, I have been writing recipes in here, slowly but surely. So I have been writing recipes down in there, so that's good. And then I've been started reading my Advent book. So you open a chapter every day and read the chapter. It's a sweet little story. I think it's more of like a preteen type book. Like, it's nothing too heavy. Oh look, I have to open day 4. So I'll pull that open right now. I gotta still read day 4. I haven't read it yet. You're gonna need a knife or so. I keep ripping pages. This book's gonna be pretty rough looking at the end of it, I think. Oh, I just ripped a page. Like, totally ripped a page. Look what I did. Look, it's ripped. I should have let Mike open it. Now the pages stick together too on it. So I'm going to get Mike to open the rest of that, but I'll read that later. It's a cute little story. Chapter 4 needs to be pulled apart, Mike.
Can I? You didn't mention anything I gave you.
No, I mentioned the gifts that you...
Yeah.
He's saying you never mentioned anything I gave you. It's okay, you're allowed to talk. I had a video up the other day, Mike, that showed what you got me for my birthday. All the gifts were in that. So here's what the little freckle pen looks like. I want to see this. I'm not going to try it on my face, but I want to try it. Oh, I don't know. I don't know about that. That looks pretty thick. No, that's not going to make freckles. Look how big that is. How big oh yeah, because you're supposed to, I'm going to have to play with this. You're supposed to flick it, I think. I don't know really how I'm supposed to flick this though. I'll look at the instructions on the box because I'm not really sure. I don't really know about this product. I'm kind of iffy about it. Anyway, I'm going to go tidy all this up and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay guys, by cleaning up the mess today, I went through some lip products. So there's a few things I'm getting rid of that I'm decluttering out of my collection. This, I had the lotion for it and I like the smell of lotion, but I'm not fussy on the spray for some reason. So I might give that to my neighbor if she wants it. But these are probably just going in the garbage because they're lip products and you don't really want to give lip products to somebody after they were used. The smell is off on a lot of them, unfortunately. So I have this lip butter that's supposed to be a dupe for Summer Fridays. I got the original Summer Fridays, so I don't need that. That's going. This Snoopy lipstick, I love the packaging, but I have a red lipstick that's from MAC that stays on better. Plus I have Too Faced melted ones that stay on better, so I'm going to get rid of that. Same with this. I love the packaging. I want to keep it just for the packaging, but it smells off. It's supposed to smell like peppermint. It's a couple years old. It don't smell good. This is brand new. I can give this to my neighbor. I didn't even use it. Or I'll give it to Kaylee. It's a set that came from the Giant Tiger, and I gave Kaylee the other two. So this color, this is okay. This lip balm, but it just doesn't suit me. So I'll see if the neighbor wants it. And this, it's just a clear lip oil, but it has no smell to it or anything. I don't like using it. It's not pleasant. So I'm getting rid of that too. So I got some stuff that I'm getting rid of. I got most of my desk cleaned up. Well, not cleaned, but tidied. It's a little more straightened up than it was before, so that's good. So at least I got something accomplished today anyway. So I'll talk to you guys if something more exciting is happening. Wouldn't you know, I come out for a walk with Odie. I shoved on Mike's jacket because it was just there in the kitchen. And I didn't put Odie's raincoat on. As soon as we get halfway down the road, it starts raining. So hopefully he does his business so I don't have to come back out again. Because we're supposed to get high winds and rain again. I guess it could be better, or it could be worse. It could be tons of snow. There's my Odie, in case anybody new here didn't meet him already. Come on, Odie, I don't like you sniffing at stuff that I don't know what you're doing. So yeah, we're just gonna head up the street. Hopefully he does his business. 'Tis Cape Breton weather for you. Sunny 1 minute and spilling rain and freezing the next. It's 2 degrees, which is like 35 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 2 degrees Celsius. Come on, Odie. We're going this way. Come on. Oh my God, he's stubborn. Okay, I gotta pay attention to him. Hey guys, I'm back from my walk with Odie, and guess what? He didn't do his business, so we're gonna have to go out again. So that's always fun. But I'm gonna wait until after supper. So right now I have battered fish that I made in the air fryer, and I'm just making frozen french fries. I don't care. Mike's having chicken strips because Mike's fussy and he won't eat fish, so it is what it is. Anyway, it's just an easy peasy night. Tomorrow night I think I might make my he really likes it and he'll eat the whole thing. It's just basically cubed potatoes with like some olive oil and spices, and then I cut up sausage and green pepper or whatever pepper I have, yellow, red, whatever, and some Spanish onion or red onion, whatever you, no, I guess it's red onion, and I fry it all in the air fryer, and he really likes that, so I'm going to make that tomorrow, I think. And then I think the weekend I might make spaghetti and meatballs, and we'll be able to eat that for 2 days. I'll just make him enough spaghetti for 1 day and then make spaghetti again the next day, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, Mike's just gone down to the drugstore to get his medication while he's waiting for his supper to cook, which is going to be ready any minute now, because I'm not going in there because the air fryer's going. I got to light up the rest of my lights. It's only the tree. These things are on timers, so they light up. Snoopy Blow Mold doesn't have a timer, and then there's a bunch of stuff on this shelf that lights up. Oh, oh yeah, I showed you guys the new addition, that little dog that I got when I was on my shopping trip. But anyway, and even my village is not lit up. So, yeah, I guess I'm going to end this one here. But I know I have some new subscribers that are new to my channel. So, you know, I want to give you guys a chance to get to know me like a lot of other people that have been here for a long time have gotten to know me. So if you have any questions, I'd love to do a Q&A video. So leave them down below. I'd love you guys to leave me a question down below so I can do a Q&A over Vlogmas. So that would be highly appreciated if you would. So I want to just say, take care of yourselves and each other, and I will talk to you guys all tomorrow. Bye everyone.